Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a table in a Notion in 2024. So today we're diving into how to create a table. Of course, tables are incredibly useful for organizing and even managing data. Whether it's for tracking projects, maybe it's for other things like of course, managing tasks, keeping personal information. Notion Table features is versatile and easy to use, making data management a breeze. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically go to the URL section, just type notion.com, hit the enter button, and this should take you to the home screen and main screen. Of course, if it's your first time, it will be taken first of all to this page. Here you can click on login at the top right corner if you have an account. And if you don't have an account instead, of course, you can click on Get Notion for free. You can use Google or Apple if you don't want to get through the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. And once you do so, you should find yourself here in the home screen or main screen without any problems. So once you are here, as we said, we would like to create a table. So basically, just go as an example. So here, first of all, of course, you can start by creating like a page or even starting from a template as an example that already has a table view database as an example. So we can just go here, templates, type table as an example. So there is nothing on work or about school, nothing here, personal, nothing here, projects, nothing here, wiki, and what about docs? Okay, so there is nothing here. It's fine, of course. You can start always from scratch if you don't want to. Of course, you can. First of all, if you didn't find like the templates that you want, you can click here on more templates and look like as example. For example, I don't know, a table like templates, and you can look as you can see for a lot of templates that you have here, like CV, video and film, study planner, travel wish list, AI power tools, a lot of things. You can, as we said, yeah, this AI power tools. So example here, if we go to search, so example, ask AI here. So as example, I want to so as example, I want to create a table. Why not? Let's see if AI will help us through. So as example, I want to create a table in Notion. So let's see as example. So I'm sorry, but I couldn't find any specific information how to create a table and search results. Yeah. So this AI, okay, I understand. This AI is basically like searching for what I have here, but I don't want to I don't want to create something, or I don't want. I tried like to create a new one, so AI just look for the things that I already have. So it seems like it's not doing stuff. So, an example, what is your use in Notion? And as you can see, it will say whatever they're doing, or I don't know if even it will say what's its use. So let's see. So let's just see. So as you can see, yeah, even if I ask him what's your use, I'm sorry, I couldn't find anything. Why? Because he's just looking for things in here. So, for example, if I go and look for something that I have in here, he'll basically just find this right away. So, for example, I'll just type a blog like post and hit the enter button, and basically it probably show me exactly where I have it. So, for example, I couldn't find specific guide on how to write a blog, but as you can see, sources found. At least it gives me here some sources. Uh, as you can see here, some things that I can have. So as you can see, I just wanted them for me to access this blog post. So that's not a thing that we should care about. All we need to do is simply go and create a table. So as I said, for me, I'll just start from a random template like I don't know, maybe we'll start from docs or wiki or something like that, like a template. Okay, I'll start from docs, so example, or maybe a task or something like that, because you can see it has like something like a table or something like that. So yeah, it should be useful. I'll just do maybe even a to-do list and click on get templates as example, and simply just go and delete view. Yeah, so I want just to delete all of that. Oh, so I deleted like the template that I just created. So sorry. To-do list, another to-do list here example, and I want to delete basically those tasks. So no, I don't want to delete the whole view. So I just want to delete the tasks that are in here. So delete pages. Yeah, I want to delete all the pages that are in here. So delete pages, delete pages, delete pages, and yeah, So even hide it. Yeah, I don't want to be shown. So I just like starting from scratch. So as an example here, all you need to do, of course, if you go and click on plus, you can start adding like example by assignee, time, mine, etc. You can even start from an empty view. And here you can simply choose a table to start. So for me, I'll name it here test. Basically, if you want to create a table, and if you want to show a vertical line, if you want to wrap all columns, if you want to open in pages, show a page icon, do whatever you want, settings on it, and then click on OK. And as you can see, once we create this table, we can start adding things. So you can start adding its a table view database. So, as example, you can type like /table and select like table inline from the option, and it will insert the table automatically into your page. You can start customizing basically your table properties. You can customize the properties of your table to suit your needs. Click on, as example, the plus button to add whatever you want. So this is like for tasks, so we can add tasks here on our table as an example. So we can start adding what, sorry, we can start adding whatever task we want. Example, give it a name, give it an assignee as example, when it's due as an example, and etc. You can add even some comment to that table or whatever you want. Of course, as I said, you can customize the table properties. You can start adding and editing the rows of it. You can sort like those things by adding, of course, some filters data, create some templates for recurring rows, use some relational like database, style maybe your table, add some styles to it, of course, if you're good at designing stuff. And even as example, if you want, you can even share this with others, so it can give you comments about it if you're seeking for people to look if you did good or not, or simply you can share it with, as example, I don't know, publish it as example, publish it on the web if you want, or something like that. And yeah, that should be it for you. So you've learned how to create a table in Notion. By following the steps, you can do that. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.